Hello. So the question says both the compartments in a above diagram are large and contain ideal gas. Okay. So the gas in the container is ideal. The initial conditions are mentioned in the diagram. Select the correct statement. Okay. So we need to find the correct statement. So firstly we will draw a diagram. Okay. This container contains an adiabatic wall and a diathermic wall. This is an adiabatic wall. This is adiabatic wall and this is diathermic wall. Okay, this is what is the meaning of diathermic? Means it will allow to pass. This is A, this is B. It will allow to pass heat energy from this to this. Okay, or this to this, or from A to B or B to A. That depends upon the temperature conditions of A and B. Okay, so and this is adiabatic wall. If this is the adiabatic wall, means no heat will be coming from the outside. Okay, this is adiabatic wall means no heat will be coming from outside. Only the transfer of heat will be from A to B and not from the outside. And if no heat is coming from outside, therefore delta Q is equal to 0. Okay, and if delta Q is 0, then delta W will also be 0. Okay, that are state function. Okay, so by applying first law of thermodynamics, we get delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. And if delta W is 0, delta Q is 0, therefore delta U will also be 0. Okay, therefore delta U will also be 0. Okay, means no energy transfer will be taking place in between them. Okay, so the correct option from this will be, it can be option D, delta U is equal to 0 no matter what is the relation between TA and TB. Okay, so this will be correct. Let's check other options. Yes, delta S is equal to 0 if TA is equal to TB. Delta S is greater than 0. Okay, delta S is greater than 0 if TA less than TB. Delta S is greater than 0 if TA greater than TB. Okay, so what is delta S? Delta S is the entropy change. Change in entropy means delta S is equal to delta Q upon delta T. The change in heat energy per change in time. Okay, just a second. It is delta T, change in temperature. Sorry. Okay, so by comparing A and B, delta S is equal to, for if let's say A is greater, A has greater temperature than B. Okay, so heat will be transferred from A to B. Okay, and if heat is transferring from A to B, therefore formula will be minus delta Q upon T1, and if B is gaining, therefore plus delta Q upon T2. Okay, so T1 will be greater than T2, so entropy change will be 0. Entropy change will be greater than 0. Okay, but in the given conditions ideal gas is said, therefore no matter TA is greater than TB or TB is greater than TA, entropy change will always be greater than 0. Okay, whatever is the value of TA and TB, always entropy change will be greater than 0. Okay, for this ideal conditions, and entropy can be equal to 0 delta S is equal to 0 when TA is equal to TB. Okay, when temperature conditions of both A and B became equal. Okay, when A has same temperature as B, means no transfer of energy, and if no transfer of energy, therefore no entropy change. Okay, therefore delta S will be 0. Means according to me, the correct option will be C and D. Okay, but it depends on examiner what is the correct answer. Okay, but according to me, this this is also correct, and this is also correct. This both can be correct because delta S is greater than 0 no matter what is the value of TA and TB. Okay, if TA is greater than TB, then also entropy is greater than 0, and if TA is less than TB, then also entropy change is greater than 0. Okay, thank you.